choose 2 people excluding me who are in the box and try to get equidistant from them. Not in a single line, but try to be at an angle which is close to both the people. Yeah, keep adjusting.
Guys, just put your cursor above my cursor.
Rahul, remove your cursor.
Choose 2 people you're equidistant to and keep trying to be equidistant from them. But not in a straight line or not in an overlap.
Please. Can I change my 2 people?
No.
First, you to ask such a silly question, yeah.
Made a mistake.
Okay. Bhaskar, you can also come in and just silently choose your 2 people and become equidistant to them. Now, what I'm going to do is, अरे अभी तू किधर गया? अरे राजा वो बॉक्स में रहने का यार, कल रात से मैं तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ.
Out of box thinking नको.
Yeah. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask DG. Now, observe very carefully what happens. Okay. I'm going to ask DG to come and stand where I am at. And then everyone else to adjust accordingly. DJ, come to me. Everyone else adjust. Make sure you're still equidistant from the 2 people.
अरे ये तो लोचा हो गया. अरे, good.
Oh my god.
Act like you can't stand on people legally and ethically. It's Dayandi.
Akash, can we change the people?
अरे बाबा, guys, he's up. अरे, रोहन तो चला ही गया दूसरे पे.
I was
Adi, you're
computing
standing on top
myself,
of 3 people, not only 1.
and this is ये क्या चल
Why,
अभी-
Mishri, you are keeping on?
Because somebody else is moving, that's why.
Dude, the tip of the point should not stand on anybody else's tip ka point, okay? The name
Adi,
ka
but you are standing on 3 people. I cannot see the name of one of the people.
हाँ,
तुम लोग कुछ किसी को भी अलाउ करते हो क्या इस सेशन के अंदर?
Adi, you are standing on 4 people. Oh god, if this person moves again, I will literally hit him.
Lubaina, come and say hello to me.
मेरा पूरा again gone.
Lubaina, come and say hello to me, please.
Lubaina, her computer.
अच्छा, उसका भी गया.
She's trying to log in again.
this is crazy.
ज्ञानेश किधर गया?
अरे हाँ ना, मैं उसको चेस करो कब से.
आदित्य आ जाओ, मिलते हैं यार.
कहाँ ऊपर?
No, where I am. घर पे नहीं आने का. I won't allow anyone.
तो लोचा हो जाएगा फिर. Hello.
And everyone adjust. We are 2 people.
I picked the wrong people. Oh my. Hey, everybody stop. What is everybody doing?
Dude, this is so cool. If I move, everybody else has to move.
Yeah.
ये गलत है यार.
Dhyanish, please get out from under me.
ये एक और हो रहा है.
Mishri only.
अरे लुबाइना किधर गया?
गया. What is this?
अरे यार जागृति बोल
We'll
Okay.
solving
Now,
some-
yeah, now just look at the screen and yeah, what was happening? What was making it annoying?
So it feels-
It relates to each other.
Mm-hmm.
See Mishri now.
Sorry, that was my mistake. I wanted to.
हो गया, सब बदल गए क्या मिश्री?
Sorry. My fault. My bad.
Of a conversation. Rohan said because we are all related. Okay, what else?
We're dependent.
Yeah, we're dependent on each other knowingly and unknowingly. Like I don't know which people are.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are dependent on two people and other two people are dependent on us. So if two people change, so like 4 people need to move.
So what we have heard so far is they're related, they're dependent on each other, knowingly or unknowingly. What else?
Okay, at a point now it got thoda irritating. Like I'm trying to follow this one person. They're not stopping. They're not making me stop. People are dependent on me and also not stopping. We created this pain of getting this annoyance. And it was innocent. Like nobody did it.
Mm-hmm. What else? Any other thoughts?
Also, if we had like pre-decided, like, acha, Jagriti, you pick these two, Yusuf, you pick these two, I'll pick these two, and we pre-decided and all of us were in on it and we had communicated with each other, it would be way easy.
It seems to be unorganized chaos.
Very good. Danish is getting close. No.
Did we play this at Enterprise?
Yes.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Thank God.
That was for a different context, I think. So I think one of the biggest things y'all kept bringing up is that there is relation and then there is unknown, right? So knowingly and unknowingly, so we knew people who we had chosen, or we were following, or we were directly connected to, or we wanted to connect to, whatever. When they move, we'll move. We knew that, right? But there's also movement that happens because of unknown factors. Like you don't know because of what is moving. And for example, if I was following DG and Ankita, and if I wanted to get to the other side of the box, I don't know if I would have reached there, because it's not just DG and Ankita, it's also like so many other factors. So and the movement can come from anyone. It's aisa nahi hai ki it just comes from the two people you're focusing on, right? So similarly, in networks, movement, connections, opportunities, they don't only come from the two influencers we are following. And they don't only come from the two organizations pioneering for social entrepreneurship. They don't only come from the two lawyers you want to work with. They don't only come from the cricketer you're playing with. They can come from anywhere. And I think that is something we've been touching on over the last few days. And I want to now show you the science behind it. Okay? So now bear with me. So if we were to look at this as a system, okay? Let's say the red dot is you. And the other dots are the people. The straight line is a strong relationship or a strong tie to someone, and the dotted line is a weak tie with someone. Okay, so basically we are all connected to a lot of people in our lives. Some ties are strong, some ties are weak, right? I think in this community, in this group of people, we probably still have stronger ties with each other. We are very interconnected. We'll get there. But we all have such people in our lives that are either strong ties or weak ties. Strong ties will be people you're working with on a day-to-day basis, your friends, like a community like this. Weak ties could be someone we see once in a while. someone like a Dave, someone like Satya. Not for everyone. So maybe for Shreya, Satya sir is a strong tie, but for me, he was a weak tie. So actually, if this red dot was me, this one is Satya sir. He was a weak tie, and let's say this one is a Dave, and he was a strong tie. Okay, but let's not go into details. Let's just zoom out for a moment. So when we are talking about systems, mapping a network, firstly there is the concept of ties, which is the weak tie or a strong tie. Then there is the nodes. Nodes matlab individuals or basically the dots. Okay. Then the interesting thing is कि ऐसा ही नहीं है कि I am the only one in the world who has these ties, right? Everyone, each of these nodes are going to have hundreds of their own ties. So we don't draw it here to make it easy to understand. In terms of nodes, like two nodes being connected or two people being connected, the connection can be based on one of three things. One is it can be position based. Oh, we are connected to each other because we are enterprise partners. Oh, we are connected to each other because we are fellows and we are cooler, whatever. Then it can be event based, having a shared experience. So it can be something like, oh, we did #start together, or we've been participating in every single Karo workshop or working on that, whatever. Then there is the relation. So this is friend related, mentor related, mother and child, teacher and student, whatever. So these nodes, these relationships or these ties can be of many different levels, and not levels. There are two different levels: strong and weak ties. And then, unka nature, they can be with anyone. That's the point of it, right? It could be position based, event based, or relationship based. The interesting thing is that research says that usually the weak ties are what get you a higher leverage. Because in strong ties, you already know each other. Whereas if you or someone has a weak tie, then they also have their own network. So these are the people who may be surprised if you call them. Not surprised, but and then they have their own network of ties. So that's what the pink thing represents. Now, there are three types of network, not diagrams, but networks. One is egocentric network. It is not to do with I, me, and myself, but it is to do with your network. So this is really about, the ties you have in your life. Egocentric network is focused around one person. So this is usually our personal group of friends, our individual network, and things like that. But now let's focus in on enterprise. The second type of a network is a socio-centric network, which is basically like a classroom or an organization or a company or whatever, right? So that is enterprise. So we have a lot of internal connections. Most of the people are connected. Some people just have weaker ties with each other. And another thing is that we all, again, let's not forget, we all have our individual networks too that we sometimes bring in. So I have just showed the Satya sir wala thing here, how he was a weak network and I pulled him in. But I really, he's not someone I've sat and chilled with, right? Then, and I think Agle wale isme you'll also see how he's built connections with, let's say, two people from enterprise that are even stronger than mine, But then Dave wala is also here. Dave and I have a strong connection. But then Dave has also built a strong connection with, let's say, Aditya and Danesh and whoever. So this is a socio-centric thing where it is focused on the organization. The next one, now bear with me. This looks thoda messed up, but let's zoom in first. Okay? I think. Remember, this one was Satya. This one was Satya. And see, now he's built stronger ties with other people from enterprise, right? Even stronger than me, which is okay. Then Dave, and he's also built ties with other people from enterprise. Then, actually, if you go to see, the third type, or not really type, but the third type is called the open system network. which is basically the world ka network, which is very open. So देखो, every single one of us will have a connection sprouting out, like hundreds of them. Again, to make our lives easy here, I've shown only some. So देखो, like यहाँ पे Dave के through there is the University of Iowa network that we can access. Satya ke through we can access all the Pune changemakers network. Then we have someone else from enterprise. Let's say Mishri ke through we can have Tuta Mentum. DG ke through we can have Career Coach ka, whoever they're interviewing. Bhaskar ke through we can have his Rajmundry friends ka access, like the new project he started. We all have our network, right? And similarly, networks of networks rehte hai. So just like when we were in that systems game, we all were kind of individual triangles, right? That were fitting into a bigger system. Like, we were trying to form a triangle essentially. So that was, we were trying to create like a pattern of triangles or a triangle of not triangle of triangles, but something like that. So this is basically a network of networks. So there are many networks, and then if you look at it, there's more. Now, where it gets interesting is that a lot of connections come from unexpected places. We've learned that they come from weak ties, right? So those are unexpected places. And I'll show you what that means in a second. But before that, I also want to introduce you to something known as the 6 degrees of separation. You might have heard about it. Basically, what that means is that we are connected to every single person in the world by 6 degrees of separation. Matlab, that is maximum. So max to max, if I am interested in connecting with someone, look at this red dot. Max to connect with them, I have to go through 6 people. Okay, this person through enterprise may know that this person knows someone, that person knows someone, that person knows someone, that person knows the person I want to talk to. In that organization. I know now this sounds like what the hell, but I'll tell you, most of the times the people we want to connect to, they're not our 6th degree. It's usually 2nd or 3rd degree. And this is where the leverage is. Now I'm going to show you something interesting on LinkedIn, if I still have. Tell me someone interesting you want to connect with. Let's start with Bill Gates. Bhaskar ya Jay bol raha tha na. What if I want to connect with Bill Gates? How will I go about it? So LinkedIn tells me that I have a 3rd degree of separation with Bill Gates. But obviously I can't still message him and be like, bro, 3rd degree separation, let's get on a call, right? So what will I do? For some people, you will see a 1 degree and then you can directly ask. So let me think of someone like that. Super. So actually, Aditya is also probably not connected him. No, Aditya is not connected to me on LinkedIn. That's why I can't see that he is a mutual connection. But at the moment, one of my friends apparently knows him. And probably it's also a weak tie. This is my friend who's a weak tie also. इसके साथ मैं स्कूल में था और हमने like, we used to do scouts together or something like that. So I can ask Mustansir to reach out and connect with Prashant for me. But obviously, like, if I have a stronger tie who's already connected, like Aditya, then I'm going to just be like, Aditya, can you please connect me to him? And I'll also share key for this, and this. So there are these different layers. And in terms of when there is more than a 1 degree of separation and you can't see mutual connections, what can you do? I'll show you. So you can just Google the company. Oh, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. And then you can click on people. And then I can see who from Microsoft is in my 1st degree or 2nd degree. So at the moment, a lot of people here are in my 2nd degree. So then I can click on them and figure out who look at this, country head, Microsoft for startups. She's my 2nd because we know 3 people in common. So 3 people may say, actually, 1 guy knows me really well. So that's the connection I'm going to probably ask first. Then there is this guy I met on LinkedIn only, and we've been like just messaging and sharing. So if I need to, I can reach out. Okay. But there is this. Then I wanted to share that when I was doing my job search, I wanted to connect with one of the 2 organizations I really wanted to work for was Forum for the Future. So I found this through LinkedIn. okay, how can I connect with someone from this? So I clicked Forum for the Future, then I clicked on people. Then यहाँ पे also again it shows me 6 shared connections, 4 shared connections. I don't see another person, but so basically what I had done is I just shared it, and I had 1 shared connection with one of them. Now I have many more because I connected with some people from the organization. So that basically what had happened is the person that was the mutual shown was actually so I was doing this internship in Washington DC, and I had finished it, okay? And then when I finished, someone else joined the company. So we didn't really get to talk, but we connected on LinkedIn. I congratulated her. I moved on with my life. Then when I was in Sweden, I think 5 or 6 months later, when I started thinking about, okay, these are the 2 companies, and then I searched Forum for the Future on LinkedIn. Then I saw that this person who had joined new in my previous company is connected to someone from Forum for the Future. So क्या किया मैंने? I didn't directly reach out to that person in my that company. I reached out to my supervisor from that company, and I told him कि भाई ये देख, हिंदी में नहीं बोला मैंने, you know ना, like you can't talk like this. I mean I do, but just talk like how you talk. I was like, bhai, you know how much I care about all of this. That job was about sustainable purchasing, which was good, but I'm more into like the entrepreneurial side of things, right? So my supervisor also knew that, and he also spoke to me about that. So I was like, so I've been exploring this realm of social entrepreneurship and supporting social entrepreneurs, and I actually found one of the really cool organizations that I'm interested in, Forum for the Future. And can you please, and I realized that Joanna, so this person who's joined our company, is connected to someone from Forum for the Future. So can you please reach out to Joanna to connect me to Georgia from Forum for the Future? So he तो happily did. मेरा उसके साथ strong relation था. Because ऐसा नहीं था कि बचपन से strong था, but when I worked with him, you know, like when I work, I'm like the Hulk, right? So I built a really good relationship with him. We got a lot of things done and all of that. So, you know, he has written multiple letters for me and connected me with multiple people. So he was like, he connected me with Joanna, and Joanna and this my supervisor, they were a strong tie because they were in the same organization, not that they were bidus. You're getting what I'm saying? When you're in the organization, strong tie, weak tie, people help. But Joanna and Georgia were very weak ties. And to cross that weak tie requires incentive. Like no one, it's, you know how uncomfortable it is to message someone you don't know about yourself. Now I'm messaging about someone else. So, but looking at my message, she was like, okay, sure, I'll connect. And then she connected me with Georgia. I had a conversation with her. Then Georgia ने मेरे को उसके इंडिया के ऑफिस डायरेक्टर से बात करवाई. Then I spoke to her also, and you know, I luckily found a job with the second company I was looking for, Ashoka. And I'll tell you that how that also worked out. But this is how these ties and networks work. It is not about you need to, you know, get an elevator conversation with the CEO of, you know, like Green Business Pune. I don't know. It is just through our regular connections. And ये वाला तो मैंने LinkedIn वाला route बताया आपको. But I'll also tell you another route. What you care about. Like what we've been speaking over the last few days. Making it explicit, not to show other people, but like just being more conscious of what you care about and trying to, just because I care about the environment and my job currently is not working in a forest, that doesn't mean I stop thinking about it, right? I think y'all are sick and tired of me talking about tree hugging. I still do that. Similarly, a lot of opportunities also come that way. I also keep speaking about how excited I am about social entrepreneurship and this entrepreneur I found about and that entrepreneur. And I knew Ashoka was an organization that I was interested in. Many different, like when I started EcoFriends, people told me about it. When I went to the US, people told me about it. Then I also, this is very interesting. I didn't use this, but in one of my classes, there was one of the board members of Ashoka. And I was just talking to her, and then I became friends with her, and we keep pinging each other on LinkedIn for her foundation. Like, nothing, like it's just chill. And I got to know that after I joined Ashoka. But then at my master's program also I heard about it because one of my colleagues was an Ashoka past employee. Okay? And I was like, oh damn, Ashoka, har jagah aa raha hai. You know, when I lived in DC, I heard of Ashoka. And then I was like, yeah, this is interesting. And then I asked her a couple of questions about what it's about. And then throughout the year, we had a lot of conversations about social entrepreneurship and what problems she wants to solve, what approach she's taking, all of that. And then on my birthday, very unexpectedly, she gifted me a call with someone from Ashoka, UK, that she used to work with. And he's super cool. Like he creates most of the knowledge work about change making and all of that. And then I had also applied for Ashoka UK. Not then. 5 or 6 months later, he had told me कि bro, ये position है Ashoka UK में, आप join कर लो or apply कर लो. Then the visa didn't work out, and I was like, okay. I was upset, of course. And then I came back to India. I started working with enterprise because I can't sit still. And we started doing projects. And then I think a few days coming back to India is when I received a note from him again that, hey, there is this thing called the Globalizer. It is a program within Ashoka. Check it out. And this was an even better fit than the UK job, like in terms of the content and in terms of the work that our team does. And I could not even have mapped it out because I couldn't imagine it, right? So what I want to say is that these degrees of separation, we don't need to always think in them. When you want to strategically reach out to someone, look at that way. But really, if you just live your authentic self, talk about what you care about, include it in conversations, and the whole bhavana we've been trying to communicate through the last 3 days of story sets of be open to emergence, just share who you are, what you care about in everything, whether it's a LinkedIn post, whether it's a workshop that's happening. Share that you're interested in using technology to make the world better. Share this, share that, and things will start emerging because people also want people who care. Let's put it that way. And